So we are doing some basic settings in FICO module, and our company code is TA01. So um till now we have done up to field status variant, and today we are going to start a new topic, that is chart of account. So hi there, this is Ritu Tamrate and you are watching my channel SAP FICO with Ritu, and also wishing you uh, a very happy and prosperous new year ahead. So without any further ado, let's get started. So once again we will follow our path. SPRO, SP reference IMG. So the path is, so we will go to financial accounting. See, mind you, this is not financial accounting new. We don't have to go to this financial accounting new, right? We have to go to financial accounting only, and then we will go to general ledger accounting. Then GL accounts, master data, preparations, and then here edit chart of account. And the T code is OB13, OB13. So here we will go to the new entries. So our company code is TA01, right? So we can also give the name as TA01 to our company code TA01, but this is not compulsory. Just to make it easy, like to make it easy in the sense we can remember this name. That's why I'm going to give you TA01 itself as the name of our company code. Chart of account. And here you can give any description, that chart chart of account for TA01. Now what is our language? Our language is of course English, because we are maintaining everything in English. So here we can give English. Here we will give generally we give here 6, because what is this? This is the length of GL account number. So chart of account, so very soon I'm going to explain chart of account. So chart of account, what is chart of account? Chart of account is nothing but list of general ledger accounts, right? What is general ledger account? General ledger account uh, are used, of course, when we have to record financial transactions of our organization, of our company. Then general ledger accounts are used. Or you can also say we record all our financial transactions in general ledger accounts. So what is chart of account? Chart of account is a structure which contains the list of general ledger accounts, right? Now chart of account, so here it is given like this, so you can take here as 6. So this is what it is, like general chart of account is nothing but a list of general ledger accounts. Now chart of account is of 3 types: operating chart of account, group chart of account, and then country specific chart of account, right? But right now we are going to focus on only operating chart of account. Why? Because group chart of account, I can also show you group chart of account. See here, you can maintain group chart of account, right? And the same T code you can create group chart of account also. Even if I can show you group chart of account also, country chart of account also, but I cannot show you the effects. That's why today we are going to focus on only operating chart of account. Even if I show you group chart of account, country chart of account, but I cannot show you the effects, because in order to show you the effects, we are required to have the configuration of FSV, that is financial statement version. So right now we don't have the configuration of that, so that's why it's of no use. So very soon in future I'm going to create new videos for group chart of account also, country chart of account also. Of course, when we have done our FSV configuration in our company code TA01, so not right now. So what is the 6? 6 is the length of general ledger accounts, right? So I'm going to show you the general ledger accounts also in some other company code. So here you can give 6. Controlling integration. So manual creation of cost element. So what is this? Actually, when we do cost accounting or cost configuration in our company code, so at that time we have to create some or we have to create our uh, uh, PL accounts as cost element. So right now I cannot give you the proper explanation of that, because you will not understand, right? So at the time when we create our controlling area, right, so at that time I'm going to show you what cost elements are and things related to that, not right now. So for the time being you have to understand this only, that you have to give a chart of accounts, description, maintain language, that is in English, and length of general ledger accounts, that is 6. So 6 is general. So let's save it. So so this is done. Now let me show you some general ledger accounts. So general ledger accounts are created at two levels. At the first level is at chart of account level, second level is company code level, right? So when we create or when we give details to a general ledger accounts at chart of account level, then that information or that details are given at client level, right? That means the information given at this level is common for all the company codes under that particular client, right? Now the information or details which we give to company code level, so these detail or this information is not common to all company codes, because this detail could be company code specific, right? So at two levels we have to create, and I'm going to show you. So this is my company code. Suppose here I'm going to take, suppose I'm going to take this furniture account. So this has come. See, this is edit GL account centrally. That means at this level we can create general ledger accounts at both the levels, right? That means at chart of account level also and at company code level also, right? But if we, so let me show you first this type and description, only this level, only this level. So I was in this. Suppose we talk about this furniture account. So at this level, type and description, this tab, only this level is at chart of account level, okay? And rest of the levels, all these levels are at uh, a company code level, right? So let me show you that also. We will follow once again path FSP0. So the if you want to create general ledger accounts at only chart of account level, then the company T code is FSP0. So right now we are going to that T code FSP0. So what's happening? Okay, so see here, chart of account TC01. So this is my company code, and here at this level, see here, type description, these two tabs are not that important. Like, I will definitely tell you, but in my video of general ledger accounts, right? So these three tabs come under chart of account. So at this level, if you want to create your general ledger accounts, then uh, the details which you give at this level will be at only chart of account level, right? And let me show you the other level also, that is at company code level. That the T code is FS00, sorry, FSS0. See, at this level, company code level TC01, here the company code level. So that these tabs, control tab, create bank information, these three tabs are at company code level. So I showed you at the chart of account level what tabs come under chart of account level, and the tabs which come under company code level, right? And if we talk about centrally, that is FS00, see, under this tab, sorry, under this T code, we have all the tabs, all 5 tabs under this T code, right? So at if we want to create our general ledger account centrally, that means we are going to create our general ledger accounts under both chart of account and company code level, right? So this is what I had to show you in this, and very soon I'm going to create my video upon general ledger accounts, and in that video I'm going to show you in all the details, right? So now, what is operating chart of account? Operating chart of account is a list of general ledger accounts which are used in our day-to-day transactions in our company code, right? Now, what is group chart of account? Group chart of account is also a list of accounts, list of general ledger accounts which are used for which are used by the entire corporate group, or which are used by all the company codes in, under the entire corporate group, and this like enables group reporting, right? This is used when the entire you know corporate group wants a consolidated report, then in that case group chart of account is required. Okay, so what is country specific chart of account? Country specific chart of account is also a group of or a list of general ledger accounts which are used to report according to the country or legal country requirements. Okay, so you could also say this is required in case of a specific country's legal reporting purposes, right? So these two chart of accounts, of course, I'm going to discuss these two chart of accounts also in full details, but in my next videos when we have already configured FSV in our company code TA01, right? So right now it's not possible. Okay, so now let me show you how we will assign our chart of account to our company code. So once again we are in the path, and see here, assign company code to chart of account, and the T code is OB13, sorry OB62, because OB13, in OB13 we create chart of account, and in OB62 we assign our company code to chart of account, right? So see here, we will go to the position, and our company code is TA01. See here, chart of account. So what we have created a short while back, our chart of account is TA01 once again. So just in order to remember the name, nothing else, you can give any name to your chart of account according to your requirement or according to the requirement of your client, right? So let me search for it. You can write directly also, or you can search in the drop down button also. See here, TA01, our company chart of account. So let's save it. So this is done, chart of account is done, right? And I have also shown you how to assign chart of account to company code. So let me show you the table also, because I'm not going to create separate videos for chart of account, or sorry, tables of chart of account. Okay, I'm not going to create separate videos for that, or any kinds of tables. So in the same topic, from now onwards I'm going to show you the tables also. So let me show you the tables for chart of account. So for the table, you can go to the same SE16, AC16, and the table is once again the same table, T001. So TA01, execute. See, this is the all the details of our company code TA01, and see, chart of account TA01. Okay, this is chart of account. This is the table details, or the details in the table related to our company code, and here we have found that our chart of account TA01 has been updated. So there is one more table, I think, SKA1. Let's see in that also. SKA1. This is chart of account specific. Yes, this is chart of account specific. So here TA01, if you, okay, here it is not showing. Okay, this table is if you want to find some other details in that particular chart of account, then in that case you can find uh, with the help of this chart of account, right? So here right now we don't have other information in this chart of account, that's why it's not, you know, reflecting any information under this chart of account, right? So this is our table, that is T001. In this table itself we are going to have all the details about this company code, that is TA01, right? So we have all the details, and here right now, short while back, we have created our chart of accounts, and we can see that this our chart of account, you know, has been updated over here, right? So in my next video I'm going to show you all the details about either retained earnings account or tolerance. Both of them are very important and very lengthy topics, of course, and it's quite required on your part to have each and every information about these two configuration. Okay, so I'm going to show you either of these two topics in my next video. So if you like my ways of teaching, my ways of explanation, and I'm really worthy of, you know, big fat thumbs up in each and every video of mine. So give a lot of likes to my videos, and also subscribe to my channel, along with pressing the bell icon, so that you get all the information about all my videos and my latest updates. I would also like you to share my videos with your friends so that they could also avail themselves of my knowledge. Okay then, bye bye.